A common problem for many people is that although they love the acoustic panels, they're aesthetically pleasing, they're incredibly efficient, they work really, really well, but it does mean they have to go on the wall using these impalers. And not everybody wants to put these on their wall. Maybe you're working out of your kitchen, maybe you're working out of your spare room, and you really don't want to put things on the wall. So we've been asked a lot about a freestanding solution, but using these panels. So we've designed and manufactured the Imperative Audio PanelGrip 600. And quite simply, this grip will hold a 1200 by 600 mil by 50 mil depth acoustic panel. And you simply place the grip with the panel directly onto a freestanding mic stand, and that just screws on like that. So let me show you how to put this together. Here we have a 1200 by 600 50 mil panel, which you can see is a fiberglass variety. These do hang on the wall, so even later, if you want to mount this onto a wall, then you can do so. We simply take the panel grip, we release the end locks there, we pull that out, and that just slides over the top like this. And then you push it down to approximately sort of a third to halfway down, or whatever suits you best. Once that's done, you will just simply screw it tight. So now you've mounted the panel grip, you simply lift it up and you drop that onto the mic stand through the loop there, and it comes with a little cap which you put on the top. Now once you've mounted it on, you can make adjustments horizontally by unscrewing the thumb locks here, and you can move that left and right, but sometimes you just want to get the balance correct. Now we have the acoustic panel set onto the stand with the panel grip. We're going to run a test. So we have a Neumann U87, which is a fairly standard voiceover and vocal mic, on a Trojan Pro overhead mic stand. And we're going to try with 1, 2 and 3 panels arranged around the mic to see what it sounds like. So obviously you've been listening to me through the camera so far, and I'm sure you can hear the room anyway, but obviously we're going to go to a much more sensitive microphone now. Now, of course, it's only fair that we record something without any of the panel kits in the room at all. And this is the result. So let's start with one panel kit. And this is the sound you get using an Imperative Audio PanelGrip 600 with a 50 mil deep acoustic panel. Now this is the sound you get with a 2-panel kit using the PanelGrip 600 with the 50 mil deep acoustic panels. And finally, with the 3-panel kit, this is the sound you get with the Imperative Audio PanelGrip 600 and the 50 mil deep acoustic panels. And of course, the great thing is that you can collapse these kits and you can just put the stand and the panels away together in a cupboard or in a safe place. And because your panels are now freestanding, you can position them exactly where you want. So you might have them close for a really tight, close sound, or you might have them further away for a more natural sound. And also your mic stand is height adjustable, which means that you can have them literally at any height, maybe around a table for podcasting or for recording audiobooks. The kit includes the 1200 by 600 panel, the 50 mil depth panels, and you can have it in either grey or black. The PanelGrip 600 with the support arm, and of course the mic stand. Now if you already have a panel, a 50 mil panel or a mic stand, you can buy the kits in separate parts as well.